Okay, this here's my Cub Cadet quiet line, which means it's got a cowling on this side that closes everything up. It's got a leaky fuel line leaking here at this shutoff. I think the grommet in the tank is bad. So the mission today is to take the tank off and see if I can get a replacement grommet or make a fix of some kind on this, even if I have to thread the gas tank for a pipe fitting screw in there and just eliminate that cut off. We'll move it somewhere else. But it's quite annoying that you put gas in it and 2 weeks later it's nothing because it's all leaked out. So these bolts I have to take out in here are about 6 inches too long, and they've got a nut on the back side, which makes it even more fun. It's like a 2.5 inch bolt for a 1 inch bolt job, but we're gonna finish taking this guy out, see if I can do this without too much cussing and screaming and throwing things across the yard. This is going to be a one-take video because I have no editing program and I have zero editing skills. So we're going to bear with me. I'm a newbie at all this. And I may have to learn how to fast forward some of this stuff, because this is, I think what I'll do is, when I get done with this, get A, shorter bolts, and B, get like a clip nut from the hardware store, so I don't need a nut on there. I can just put a clip nut on there and you don't need a wrench to do it. Now let me see if I can get this other one off over here. See if we can wrestle this gas tank out. Alright, bolts are out. If I can get the fuel line unplugged. I don't know how this comes off. Oh, it comes off like that. Not sure that helped me. I think I have a wrench for that. Pardon my boarding house reach. I believe that's not it. That's going the wrong way. That's not it. I'll be... There it is. I knew I had the right one somewhere. Alright, so we'll get to this fuel line. Those seem awful excessively long too, but I guess not. And last one. Okay, there's that. Now, I should be able to take these rusty pliers. Oh, these aren't the rusty ones. Well, that didn't work as I planned. Tore the end of that off of there, but that just proves that I needed to put a new hose on too, which I was going to do. Now, if I can get this rig out of here. There we go. There we go. So, not exactly sure if I can get a new grommet for this. Not exactly sure that's the problem, but all signs point that way. So I'll probably go to the mower shop and see if the guy can help me, if he's there. I got a pretty good parts guy, but he's not always there on Saturdays. He's got a woman that works for him, and she's can be quite aggravating, because if it's in a book she can find it, but she can't help you if it's not. So I'm going to work on getting this out, and we'll do another video on maybe putting it all back together. But that, I think, is the problem, because you get some stains right here where it was leaking. So I'll check the tank, but it's plastic. It's not going to have a hole in it unless somebody drilled one in it. So I think that'll be it. That'll be it for now. Till later.